Hello everyone, my name is Peter Percy. Welcome to Simple Learning. Today we're going to talk about friendship. As human beings, we need to be around people. We always need someone that we can trust. Everywhere we go, everything we do, we always have somebody with us. And that person, sometimes we call them a friend. But most of the time we are using that word wrong. We never take time to learn the real definition of friendship. Not everyone you call friends are really your friends. And there's a difference between people you talk to and people who are your friends. What is friendship? Friendship is a form of love. Friendship is a member of love's family. And friendship is a word that has been through a lot. What I mean by that is a lot of us using it wrong. We call people friends, but we don't really know the meaning of it. Some people call you friends just to use you. Some people are your friends because seeing the type of person you are, seeing or feeling that you have a good future, that your future is promising. They put themselves next to you, but they are not really your friends, but users. They are waiting for something good to happen to you so they could participate. But the minute that thing is gone, they disappear. So that's what we call fake. Some only pretend to be your friends because they know if they are your enemy, it won't be good for them. So they choose to fake friends your ass, There are many ways you can detect if someone is really your friend. You can try to let a friend know a project you want to achieve. If that person is really your friend, he or she will back you up. If that thing is not good, that person will tell you so. Simple as that. And that's when you're going to know if you got a good friend. How many times you post something on social media, you see someone that you be calling friend, see the post, but they don't comment, they don't like it, they don't share, and that person gonna like somebody else post that you don't even know or will never meet, and that post is similar to yours. Is that a friend? Time to question yourself. Imagine you're telling me that you are my friend. I put something on my page, my WhatsApp, my Instagram, and you ignore it completely, but you are sharing, commenting, and liking somebody else's post, and that post is similar to mine. Are you really my friend? Some people got a lot of jealousy in their heart, They pretend to be your friend, but they don't want you to be successful. They don't want anything good for you. Whenever something positive is happening to you, they just feel jealous. Behind your back, they're going to talk bad about you, but when you in front of them, they pretend that they are the best friend ever. There is no competition between friends, but support. Your best friend usually similar with you. If you are a thief, your best friend is a thief. If you are a drug dealer, your best friend is one too. If you like women, your best friend definitely going to like women. According to a survey back in 2019, they said the best countries for making friends are Mexico, where 82% people find it easy to make new friends. And you have Costa Rica, Ecuador, Uganda, Colombia, Taiwan. There are some people, they call you friend, but you know what? It's just the way they're trying to learn how to be your enemy. And in the future, they'll be your enemy. So basically, a lot of people in your life, they're not really your friends. They're just your future enemy. And usually, like people you're helping, they are the one who's turning their back on you. You got to be careful. You got to be careful what type of person you are dealing with. You got to be careful what type of person you want to be friend with. Because like I said, friendship is just like love. Friendship is a member of love's family. You got to make difference between people you talk to and people who are your friends. Peter Percy, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time for something different in simple learning.